911 call takers are important for a lot of reasons. One, we are the very first person that a citizen talks to when they're calling in an emergency. Their job is critical in the process of police and fire units responding out to these calls. We get all the information first, so it's important that we get certain information in a timely fashion. That way these emergencies can be dealt with. When citizens call in, as soon as we're able to find out the type of emergency and your location, we are already entering a call for dispatch. So even though we still stay on the line with you and continue to talk to you and ask you more questions, we're not delaying the response of the police and fire units. They generally are already on their way, which is a misconception from the public that that we have to hang up in order for help to be sent, which is not true. So we stay on the line to get more information while the units are already on the way. The people that do this job have a lot of great qualities, I think one being selflessness. We have the need to help others. We enjoy helping others. In the process of all that, we have a bond like not many people do, or not many people can say that they have with their coworkers. We experience very high stress situations that not your average person deals with. And when you experience these situations with your coworkers, it really it forms a bond that is not like any other.